Using a credit card to pay down a balance over time can be convenient, but there is a trade-off: interest charges. You can think of interest as the fee you pay for borrowing money. With a zero-interest credit card, you get the ability to split up payments over a certain amount of time without accruing interest charges. Zero-interest credit cards let cardholders skip paying an annual percentage rate on purchases, balance transfers, or both for a set period of time. If you are looking to make a purchase or reduce the cost of credit card debts, a 0% credit card may be the right option for you. How do 0% interest credit cards work? Each 0% introductory offer is different, but there are a few nuances that you should be familiar with when evaluating each one. 0% offers are usually only for new applicants. If you've already had the card for years when you find out about the 0% intro offer, chances are you won't qualify. Some 0% offers are only for balance transfers. With balance transfers, the 0% intro APR offer is usually only valid for balance transfers made within a short period of time after you open the account. Some 0% intro offers are only for purchases. A 0% purchase credit card lets you buy items up front and pay off the amount you've spent over a set period of time without any interest. How can I qualify for a 0% interest credit card offer? Credit card issuers use 0% introductory offers to attract new customers, so to get one, your best bet is to apply for a new card that advertises a 0% period. Generally speaking, you'll need good to excellent credit to qualify for a card with a 0% offer. That roughly translates to a credit score of 690 or better, although credit scores alone do not guarantee approval for any credit card. Once you get your credit score to 690, it's time to start applying. Make sure you don't apply for multiple cards at once, because each card you apply for temporarily knocks your score down a few points. For that reason, it's also a good idea to have a sense of your approval odds in advance of applying. Something else to keep in mind as you apply: card issuers also consider your income, so make sure you include all income that you have legitimate access to, such as your spouse's income.